Crash. Just hit the curb.
Show me your fucking hand!
I got him, 2919.
It's all over, dog. Come on.
Come on, with your hands up now!
On February 7th, 2025, officers responded to a report of a man holding a woman against her will. After locating him, multiple officers set up a perimeter around the block.
3-5, I believe I have eyes on a vehicle who's coming directly at me.
Dispatch monitoring.
This is him. I have him here. 108 in Dakota. Coming directly at me. Black male.
Yep, I see it.
15, I'm on that stand out. Do you want
Let me see your hands! Show me your hands!
Yeah, pull up. Cars fleeing.
Hold up. 3-5 put me in pursuit eastbound on Dakota from 106.
Eastbound Dakota from 100.
Still eastbound from 104th, eastbound on Dakota. Running multiple stop signs. Crash. Still going, crash. Southbound.
First from Dakota.
Squad behind me, call it.
15, taking secondary. Southbound 101st from Dakota. Vehicle smoking. Just hit the curb.
I copy. Hit the curb.
Brother Bill, 101st in Manitoba.
101st Manitoba, Footvale.
I'm gonna show! Show me your fucking hands!
San Jose, West Dallas.
I'm gonna show, motherfucker!
Northbound through the yards, heading back towards Dakota.
Northbound for the heavy. 1-5, give an update.
Copy northbound from the alley.
I thought someone was in front. Hey, what's the address here?
2916
2916. What's the full address?
South of 103rd.
2916 South 103rd.
Copy. 4916 South 103rd.
We're behind the address.
Copy that. And dispatch to 35 nearby. Go for it.
Get ready to hop out. He's gonna be coming out this way. See him?
No.
Bacon, we're at 103 in Dakota. Oh. Got a homeowner. 2945 103.
There was somebody that came in a black, jogging suit
Okay,
and
where'd he
went
go?
that way, maybe just 3 minutes ago.
3 minutes ago? Well, he's somewhere in the backyard, so just go inside and lock your door.
45 103. Is someone with the vehicle?
Vehicle's crashed out, negative. Homeowner just saw him at 103 in Dakota. Still running. I got him, 2919. Right here, backyard.
He's running westbound. He's behind you.
Copy that. Giving commands to a garage 2923.
Coming through, man.
Or I got, in the back, there's a shed back there.
Was the door open? Yeah, it's always open.
I just had it open. I was back here about an hour ago.
So he should be over here somewhere.
Copy, West Dallas at 105 in Manitoba.
Not seeing anything.
DJ, this is the police. We already know who you are. It's all over, dog. Come on.
Back there, come on, DJ.
We searched the garage and the vehicle.
Nothing, but he should still be in the containment. We just gotta find him.
I copy. 2923 clear, 2923 clear, still in containment.
He up in here somewhere. Man, you know, good news.
And 180.
Yeah, he can be at 2929 then.
And that's 104. That's 2929, 104.
DJ, come out. DJ, come out.
I copy.
DJ, Atlanta, come out.
You got this corner right here?
18042 copy.
105 was reported possibly in the backyard with a squad.
Say what? This is 104, right? It is 104. Can we get through that backyard over to 105? Where's he last seen running at? Just so Doug knows I'm mobile. Where was he last seen running?
When was he last seen?
Southwest?
Yep. But he didn't make it out to 105 yet.
Copy that, first.
So he's probably he's within these.
Somewhere in these.
Yep.
All right. Zukin.
28.
Zook. He's coming out here, but if you got to take a body or two and go clear that. Zook.
I think it's 2936.
Zook. Zook. Check those garbages. Okay. Doug, he's somewhere in here. Here. Come here. Zook. Hey, he runs out, he's all yours. He runs out, he's all yours. Zook. Go, Zook.
He's underneath the trampoline, buried.
Oh Gwen. She said underneath the trampoline buried.
Yeah, he's down there. Come out with your hands up.
Hands up!
Come out with your hands up now! Come out with your hands up. You do anything, my dog's gonna bite you, dude.
Hands up.
Yeah, you're gonna get bit. Keep your hands. Hey, show both your hands. Show both your hands off. Show both your hands. Crawl out. Scoot out on your butt. Scoot out on your butt, dude. Hey, this is your last chance, otherwise I'm sending the dog in to get you. Get out. Start crawling out. Start crawling out.
How do y'all want me to crawl? With my hands like that, we can see. Back, can I crawl with my hands?
Hey, just drag him out.
Just crawl
Fuck
out
this. Somebody keep lethal cover and drag his ass out. Drag his ass out.
Drop the phone. I know nobody's resisting. Do you think he's resisting? No, come on, bro. You ain't gotta do it all like that. Cool, bro. Ain't no good boy, nothing. I wasn't high, and I ran out of breath. Roll over.
One in custody.
Get up. Sit down.
Confirming that's the only person that's out.
You was it, right? That's it?
Yeah. Yep.
Here, at least see me up there. We good, we got up again? I said, can you see me up? Lean up again. You said we can recheck first?
Yeah, I gotta.
You wanna go?
Give me a second.
You got anything in your pockets or anything? Bro, you gotta lean back. 104.
Lean back.
Lean back. You leaning forward, it ain't gonna help. Ain't nothing in there, bro. This is bad. Alright, who got a squad car over here?
All ours are on his car. I got one over here.
Alright, cool. We'll just walk to the squad car. Come on.
I'll pull it up.
Oh man, somebody stepping dog food.
One in custody. I think I did, to be honest. We probably all did, man.
Alright, come on, man. I know you tired. You shouldn't have ran.
And 3-5, I know there's 519. Is anyone secure with the suspect vehicle in my squad?
Okay.
He was later charged with false imprisonment, fleeing and eluding an officer causing property damage, and second-degree recklessly endangering safety.